Hi! Welcome to another Hub City Farmers Market Seed to Table nutrition video. Today we are going to look at some different drinks here and see what's in your drink. This is tied into the Rethink Your Drink campaign by PAL, or Partners for Active Living. It's so important for us to take a look at the added sugars that are in the drinks that we have. Of course, the main thing that we should be consuming is water, since our bodies are made up of at least 70% of water. That's what our body needs to stay hydrated. Sometimes we do splurge and have some other drinks, but let's make sure we're not having too much added sugar. As we talked about in our last video, it is recommended that if we do consume added sugars, to keep it around 100 calories, which is equivalent to about 24 grams and about 6 teaspoons. So let's take a look. So the first drink we're going to look at is an energy drink. And this one in particular is Monster. So this one actually has 54 grams of added sugar. That's almost twice of what's recommended per day. Now let's take a look and see how many teaspoons that is. Would you want to eat 13 teaspoons of sugar at once? I don't know about you, but I wouldn't. Now we have soda. This is a standard Coca-Cola 20 ounce, and this has 65 grams of added sugars. That's 130% of your daily value. Yikes, doesn't sound like a good idea. As you see here, 65 grams is equal to 15 teaspoons. That's 15 of these that you would be consuming just from drinking this one soda. Now, we're in the South, so it's very obvious that why we have sweet tea here. It's a common drink for us Southerners. Well, this has 48 grams of added sugars. Let's take a look and see how many teaspoons that is. As you see here, that's 11.5 teaspoons of added sugars in this one drink. Are you starting to notice a trend? Last but not least, we have fruit punch. And this includes 27 grams of added sugar. So it's just over the recommended daily value. Now let's see how many teaspoons that equals up to. So roughly we're at about 6 to 7 teaspoons here of sugar. Again, we want to make sure that when it comes to hydrating ourselves, we're drinking water. But if you are going to have a drink, make sure you're limiting how much sugar you're intaking, because added sugar can lead to weight gain, obesity, and type 2 diabetes. And unfortunately, as we get older, especially in the 5th grade, that is something that becomes very common. So rethink your drink. See you later.